This is your daily glimpse of science. Before we jump into the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Hey, check this out! The scientists have been analyzing the approaches implemented by the government in the early months of the COVID-19 pandemic to see what worked and what didn't.
So what did they find?
Their global analyzation indicated that temperature checks and deep cleaning of public surfaces were ineffective. People are often contagious well before their symptoms start to show. Also, touching shared surfaces isn't the main pathway for transmission since the coronavirus spreads more easily through the air.
What approach did work then?
Targeting transmission hotspots like crowded indoor spaces worked best. This includes closing restaurants, bars, cafes, having people work from home if possible, and canceling small social gatherings up to 50 people. Travel restrictions, increasing access to personal protection equipment, and educating the public about risk management have proven to be effective as well.
Did the article mention why some countries are having such a hard time dealing with the pandemic?
The researchers also found that these measures were more effective when enacted sooner. But the fear of economic consequences from shutdowns was most likely the reason for some countries to hesitate in implementing these measures. Here, look at this chart. It shows that since some European countries enacted appropriate measures in October and November, there was a decline in new cases while cases in the US continued to rise.
So limiting occupancy at key transmission hotspot worked, but when to enact this measure is also very important.
The research suggests that COVID-19 shutdowns don't need to be all or nothing. They don't have to be total lockdowns and full reopenings. Reducing capacity at transmission hotspots while keeping less risky areas open can curb the exponential rise of coronavirus cases, and the negative impacts on the economy can be minimized. The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.